Welcome to Real Talk for Men Relaxation. Get comfortable. You're breaking a pattern right now, and this is time for you to put down anything that isn't serving you and move forward powerfully. Find a comfortable place where you can rest, relax, and spend the next 10 minutes taking in, refreshing, renewing, releasing, and then you'll rise again. Take a deep breath and exhale. Right now, in this moment, nothing else matters. Not yesterday, not last week, last year, or 20 years ago. Nothing else even exists except for this moment, your breath, this space, and this opportunity to start over. You can start over every day, in every moment, with every choice you make. You don't have to carry yesterday with you. Whatever happened, whatever didn't happen, it's already behind you. The pressure, expectations, weight of old patterns, they don't belong to you anymore. All you have to do is make a choice. Right now, you have a choice. Your choice is to release, renew, and rise again. You are not defined by your past. You are shaped by it. And everything that you've been through has made you the powerful man you are today. You are also shaped by how you choose to move forward. Today, you'll move forward with strength, clarity, and purpose. Breathe in deep and feel your chest expand. Then slowly exhale, letting go of anything weighing you down. Settle into a comfortable rhythm of inhaling and exhaling, a natural rhythm. At the same time, set the intention with every inhale, you bring in new energy, new possibilities. And with every exhale, you release stress, old patterns, hesitation, and doubt. You can do anything you set your mind to. You can choose in this moment to completely change your trajectory with one simple choice. Check in with your body. Scan your head down through your forehead, your jaw, and your neck. See if there's any tension there. Are there any thoughts lingering that are creating tension in your forehead or jaw? The weight of yesterday has no right to be in your body today. Let your shoulders drop. Let your face relax. Let your jaw soften. Your arms are heavy. Your hands soften, relax. Your breath stays steady and full. Inhale new energy and new possibilities. Exhale any doubt or hesitation. Your back softens, your chest opens, your heart opens, and your legs and feet settle into an easy, strong, rooted position ready for whatever comes next. You are here in this moment, present and grounded. You are free to move forward with your choices. Every choice matters. The past does not define you. It was a lesson, not a life sentence. You have permission to let go of what no longer serves you. The doubts, missteps, old ways of thinking, none of that has power over you now. If any of it tries to sneak back in, Remind it that that is behind you and you are stepping into a new day, a new mindset, and a new level of strength. Listen to these words. Let them settle deep within you. Own them. Embody them. Repeat after me so your resonant voice can be heard by the cells in your body. I am not bound by my past. I create my future. I release old patterns and make space for growth. Each morning, I wake up stronger, clearer, and more focused. I embrace today with confidence and a fresh perspective. I move forward with power, discipline, and purpose. Take another deep breath. How do you feel? Let that fill you. Let it replace anything holding you back. Now picture yourself standing at the start of a new path. Whether it's a wide open highway, a soft path into the forest, or a path winding along a beach, whatever you like, this path is yours to choose. Where do you want to go? This path is clear. There's nothing in the way, only opportunity. You can step forward into this with confidence. Know that you're in control of this day, this moment, and your life with every choice you make. Every breath fuels your purpose. Every step is taken with certainty. You're not who you were yesterday. You're not who you were 10 minutes ago. You are stronger, wiser, and ready to rise. When you return from this moment to your day, you will feel lighter, sharper, fully renewed. But for now, just sink into this knowing. Now is all you have. Now is all there is. And every choice allows you to start fresh and choose the most beautiful, perfect path for your perfect life. Breathe, just be, and know that today you're starting fresh.